Okay guys, we are officially moved into the office. Everyone's gone. I just thought I'd show you around. I have like 1% battery. So I'm gonna do this as quick as I can, but very simple right now. Desk, I hate those blinds. Desk, we finally got the monitor and mount set up. So it was really hard to find that mount and everything. Yeah. And then from this view here, when you look over, here's everything. Photo studio, podcast room, and we haven't assembled any of the tripods that hold all the soft boxes and everything else. Those are a bunch of client products. Doggo, a little table set up. We haven't even moved any of the microwave or anything yet, but that is all gonna happen tomorrow. And you are restless. Are you ready to
go? Completely balanced right now. The green shows it's in balance, and I have corners hitting right in the middle.
Okay, what's up guys? So today's Alpha's launch on the YouTube channel, and we're gonna be showing you like a full studio transformation of the photo studio. So behind Ethan right now, which is you guys also, is the photo studio room. We used to have all of the nice like canvas or like cotton like cloth backdrops, and we've taken all of that out, and we're gonna be installing the like big paper fixed one. So you'll see all of that. I'm about to play back a video for you of what we made with the old setup, and moving forward, hopefully we can make better stuff than this even, but this looks really, really good in our opinion. So I'm gonna play this one for you, and then we'll get back into like showing you the full transformation of the space. All right, so we're in the middle of making the studio right now. Ethan's in here, I don't know, prepping some other stuff. And up here we're gonna have three, I'll show you the wood outside, but basically 3 planks or 2x4s drilled into the wall, and then the backdrop is gonna come down there and hang out. We've got all the lights and everything on that side there. And I'm gonna take you outside. Hi Aspen, hey. You being good? You like the ludicrous?
Okay, let's hope this is the stud. Like put it like right here?
Yeah, so basically we just put the we thought the stud would go all the way up the wall. It does not. It just cuts off basically right where this does. So that pole directly across the spot that we chose was just above that. So we're now about to pull it out and then lower it down and just work with what we've got. Okay, so we just finished the studio and it looks absolutely insane. I'm going to show you guys a little thing we just recorded with Noah here. Oh God, I almost just tripped. And yeah, you guys should like this. So we have all the lights and everything set up here, and we've got Noah in the bay here. You want to do the thing? All right, so we had Noah do that a few times, and Courtney whipped up a little edit here.